Discover the world of vegetables. I'm a tomato. I'm juicy, red, and full of flavor. I'm great in salads, sandwiches, and even pizza. I'm a potato. I'm brown on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. I'm great in many dishes, like fries, mashed potatoes. I'm a carrot. I'm orange and crunchy, and I make a great snack. I'm sweet and packed with vitamins that help you see well and stay healthy. I'm spinach. I'm green and leafy, and I'm packed with nutrients. I'm great in salads, soups, and smoothies. I'm cauliflower. I'm white and fluffy, and I can be a great addition to many dishes. I'm great in soups, salads. I'm an onion. I'm round and come in different colors like white, red, and yellow. I add lots of flavor to dishes like soups. I'm bitter gourd. I'm green and have a unique, bumpy shape. I'm a bit bitter, but I'm packed with vitamins and can be a great addition to stir-fries and curries. I'm cabbage. I'm green, or sometimes purple, and have lots of crunchy layers. I'm great in salads, stir-fries. I'm lettuce. I'm green, crisp, and perfect for adding crunch to your meals. I'm great in salads, sandwiches, and wraps. I'm corn. I'm golden and sweet, with lots of tasty kernels on my cob. I'm great as a side dish in salads. I'm green beans. I'm long, green, and crunchy. I'm great in stir-fries, salads, and as a tasty side dish. I'm broccoli. I'm green, crunchy, and look a bit like tiny trees. I'm great in salads, stir-fries. I'm eggplant. I'm purple and shiny with a smooth, creamy inside. I'm great in dishes like lasagna, stir-fries, and even grilled. I'm pumpkin. I'm orange, round, and perfect for all kinds of tasty dishes. I'm great in soups, pies. I'm a cucumber. I'm green, cool, and super crisp. I'm great in salads, sandwiches, or just as a refreshing snack. I'm beetroot. I'm deep red and packed with flavor. I'm great in salads, soups, or roasted for a sweet and earthy taste. I'm a bell pepper. I come in bright colors like red, yellow, and green. I'm great in salads, stir-fries. We are peas. We are small, green, and packed into little pods. We are great in soups, salads. I'm a sweet potato. I'm orange and sweet, with a soft, creamy inside. I'm great baked, mashed.